Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say Endra echi mebe breaking news bi tremo say NDC for manifesto a womo ka say nanka ende na ewo say womo eba ede bana Ghana for yenya ne ye na analysis hwe say NDC for manifesto ni MPP for de no hwan na ne de ebosi ebota no NDC for eba bonten ebe ka say manifesto no womo postponed. They didn't give any reason, but for me I think say I am thinking into why NDC did that. Now, at the end of this particular reportage, no, remember we who say the entire NDC for a year, sir. Now we who say politicians, no, it they be when they are doing something. We who say Ghanaian politicians say no more. At the end of the day, NDC for my reason, but at the end of the day, me feel say no hunting NDC for or more postponing manifesto. No, remember we who the entire now. MPP for and through their National Communications Director will double as the MP for Adenta. A friend on a year Yabuabin Asamoah hold press conference on this particular matter. Yes, we hold the press conference on the matter. Say NDC for one manifesto no one more in release into what your press conference. Press conference no what can sem etre say we create say NDC for one more nyankrophobia. Yebe to me trustee no mo obia sebe waka tro say manifesto no what the beba 31st August na manifesto what they oka say we postpone the about 31st August they do say about 31st August na afi was say manifesto was so atwa ko September 7 that day nipa we nye nipa e was say Ghana photo ababa no because omo sesa wo mo adwen nti asem a MPP for omo kan no say enye omo wanwa say by September 7th krabe do no NDC for ebesanso postpone manifesto ni biom asemwa eye MPP womo National Communications officer and a director worker was say months before COVID-19 hit the world, John Mahama's NDC set up a manifesto committee on a perilous journey to go and find out what Ghanaians want. After 16 years of NDC in the 28-year-old Fourth Republic, which he, Mahama, has ruled in 6 years of those years and the final decision maker in Ghana, he's still struggling to find out what Ghanaians governance prioritizes, what Ghanaian governance priorities are. Now, a short, and I will be a punchline pana MPP for one communication officer no wama no. Ebi anankrofu nim de Jamaica say punchline. Ma mintrem. Now, some other kaya answer na COVID-19 coronavirus be background. Around January February hono. NDC for a year program bi ana NDC for she bibia say John Dramani Mahama Emma Nkrofo waka say NDC wo mo call round na tre say wo mo de manifesto bi ba manifesto no wo metu ni the People's Manifesto. Omo call round Ghana nkroni na no mo ne nkrofo akwakasa se eden na muhia pa na Ghana for kan de muhia pa na omo NDC for ne dia manifesto. So they named this year manifesto omo yet to launch no they named it as the People's Manifesto. Now as someone MPP for Communications Director what can they say wow tie kapa womo atena ban mu pa NDC for Ghana has a wohwe 16 years out of 28 years NDC nkwenya 16 good years rule wo man we out of that 16 years no Mahama nkwa rule wo man for 6 years na wo rule wo man for 6 years I hope say trend say who nim the Ghana for pe afiansa wo be man crofo akọ round say one more air investigation na one more candidate na say emra na what so as president ne there wagya to say who nim na who nim the Ghana for pe. That is why I feel say a punchline because ne kre na say na we president who too free so and there o so be president now say manifesto the Ghana for pe o call round na Ghana for nkasa na say emra na what so no na o person indirect do say who nim the Ghana for pe. Into no I side with punchline we are MPP for Momo Communications Director Watu Ama Mahama no politics ne san let it we ba na wabeto ne punchline we so ba na wabeto ne de we ba na wabeto ne de now we are not just say on July 1st 2020 the whole world was told that candidate Mahama has received the People's Manifesto into one People's Manifesto na meka tell no and no na wabo so wa no and he said he was going to launch in August. But when the NPP announced August 22nd to launch its manifesto, the whole world was told DS will follow on August 29th. And then came the bomb. Our manifesto hit them so hard, making them postpone to 31st August. And as we speak, we are not sure it will come on as announced again on the 7th September. The work can say we can want NDC for manifesto no wo mu tutu aheda. Na NDC for ko ye People's Manifesto wie ya wo mu beka sesisi a wo mu nya People's Manifesto no. O se NDC for ka say August e no be release manifesto no. Wo mo beti say NPP for release o mo dia 22nd na NDC can say yes you be release the 29th. Now so according to one no wo mo NDC for enya NPP for the review ya no mu say say the NPP for the na strong no. You release year 29th and year the be week into yen to ensure that yen to 31st August, which is the last day of August. Was it 31st August in Sudu ya? NDC foi na afi manifesto you almost so much shift to 7 September. Hey! Now some can say sisi ampo de ye ni awehemu say 7th September ne kra no NDC for be ba be ye eye manifesto ni nira ne say omo hwa omo manifesto no ento NPP for there. Now, this is where I come in with why I think the NDC are postponing, because as Endameneoka said, they've not given so far for me, from my side, the NDC has not given any concrete answer. That's what I think. One more concrete answer be sorry, the ABC and one more concrete answer be on the manifesto. But me trimuno. Why I feel say NDC for a postponing manifesto ne say wo mu feel say ende a Japan deal a dia by Japan sema o dia ba no be release manifesto na meba Ghana for jai asem ne ka. Because obi a wonim Ghana senia yete even on social media when it comes to entertainment and politics no. Eya ne yen time pese asem beba na e dia ensem mienu miensa ba ne ye discussing na bom dabi. Ghana for yempesa ade no yepe asem baako se asem baako ne metodwa whether it is politics or what na sa asem no yenso sa asem ni mu latest by 1 week and 2 weeks ne yen drain ya asem na nkofom na for from bra sa na Ghana for yepe. I think say the entire NDC for air postpone manifesto ne say and then e Japan asem aba e de eja aba betu ekufo ado chem an edi epiepie say nkrophobia wo mo ye close to wono ne nkropho na trese deal no ye ko sign ya mo omo ne Ghana Japade ne nyama no mimi susu say enumuti na NDC for a da postpone because and them Mahama koka ne manifesto ho asem a afi ye be discuss manifesto no ama Ghana for ye nka Japan asem ni biom because Japan asem ne ya asem bia it goes against NPP na the NDC for be ye bia be call against NPP bia no because of politics. Mind you, I am not saying that this is the fact. I am just telling you, from me where I am sitting, that is the reason why I feel say NDC for a postpone the manifesto. Because someone said by 7 September, Ghana assembly ba latest by 2 weeks. It Japan semi last week na share say ye kan. Someone said by 7 September na asem no atop form na Ghana for ebeti ase say okay, Ghana Japade na ediko hye nkrofo bi nsem. Nti sisia no ye ntwambo ne enko kansem foforo papa no ba and what is obi ka papa no ho asem biom because e buy for 2 weeks Ghana dey assemble asa 2 weeks na gina so a nti by 7 September me susu say na 2 weeks to eduru nti na NDC for atwa akosi ho no there is me it could be say I am wrong but sitting back and observing the reason why NDC will postpone the launch of their manifesto no that is what I think. Inti MPP for so ehun say dabi womo say womo de be fam inta na womo so afire NDC on this particular matter ni enke no so ho nsem na ejapa yenfa ejapa ne nto ho kakra because social comments from civil society are airba on Ejapana. Nekre, I just read a comment on for you. Say a lot of civil society groups are. Wamoka said they thought that President Akufo-Addo would be different. No one who said that be say or no crana dia no enye. NDC 4% yes. Sisiano, Ejapa deal no. The akwa say it is not even a fight between NDC and MPP again. Sisia, it is a fight between civil society and MPP. Policy think tanks and MPP. NDC form put the wama bechi no more here. Because and there, so what ye ne two Kennedy Japan show now obe say what happened they say they even took a dig at civil society. Justice Kwekwanan no wa blast civil society for na trese sisia no civil society for na akwa say they are at war with the MPP government. Osha Gabriel Treda konsemo a war trotro social media. He's not even attacking NDC on this Ejapa deal. He's just attacking some elements in Imani Ghana and civil society. Intino NDC for ashada na omo pese ntokwane ko because onim se wo be release manifesto ni sisi Ghana for be sha se wo mo ka ende Mahama se obeyi okada ene Mahama se obeyi se ene Mahama se obeyi se me si ende Mahama okada asem a wokan en afianza Ghana for wo mu ni nkrofo wo mu wu e wo moto so ni na afianza ye de list e ba abonten politics anyway that's what I think. Won't try my comment box ni mo me da say